on now. Mumbai is reeling from heavy rains causing severe waterlogging in King's Circle, Kurla, Chembur and Andheri, halting traffic across major roads and subways. A tragic landslide in Vikhroli's Jan Kalyan Society, Varshanagar, killed 2 people and injured 2 others early Saturday morning. The landslide also resulted in burying a family's hut, and with rescue teams working to clear the debris, airlines have also issued advisories for passengers. My colleague Sujata Dwivedi now joining us with all the details.
Heavy rainfall has once again brought Mumbai to a standstill, where since last night we see that several areas in Mumbai have been completely waterlogged because of heavy rainfall, and also its most dangerous impact has been witnessed in Vikhroli, where a landslide occurred after debris rolled down from a hillside. At present we are here at the Andheri subway, where you see that currently it is kept on for people and for vehicles to move, but just some time ago this area was completely waterlogged, because of which the Andheri subway once again had to be shut down, and the IMD today has already issued a red alert for Mumbai. And in the past 5 hours, the western and eastern suburb recorded over 200 millimeters of rainfall, leading to severe waterlogging in several low-lying areas, one of which is this Andheri subway. And along with this, several other areas in Mumbai, including the King's Circle and the Gandhi Market, could be seen completely waterlogged, and the threat of more landslide looms large. And authorities have appealed to citizens to avoid stepping out of their homes unless and until it is something very urgent. And as we know that because of the festive season, today Gokul Ashtami is going to be widely celebrated across the city, and which often sees a huge crowd attracting towards this festive, coming out of their homes, enjoying the festival, because of which today it is likely that being a weekend, people are likely to step out of their homes, because of which the Mumbai police too have deployed their teams to ensure that public safety is at priority. And at the same time, it is because of heavy rainfall that the IMD has now upgraded its alert from orange to red, and people have been advised to take utmost care of themselves and not leave their homes unless and until it's very important.